Welcome to the channel, guys. Today's problem is about renaming the columns. So here we need to write a solution to rename the columns as follows. Here we have to convert ID to student ID, first to first name, last to last name, and age to age in years. So they have also mentioned one example. So the approach will be to simply use a rename function like this. Inside rename function, we will pass a parameter as column. So to replace with the original column name on the left hand side and the updated column name on the right hand side. So let's try to execute our code. So here our data frame name is students. So we will apply rename function and we will pass parameter as column. So here we need to add one by one column in order to update our name. So the first column is ID with student ID. Second one is first with first name. Third one is last with last name, and the fourth one is age with updated column age in years. So let me zoom out the code. Yeah, that's perfectly fine now. So we have updated each column name with the column name that is required to update. ID to student ID, first to first name, last to last name, and age to age in years. So now let's return our data frame. Now let's try to run our code. Let's check if our code passes all the test cases. So here guys, we have successfully submitted our code. If you are satisfied with my approach, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you and see you in the next video.